This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3412 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Colfax Decor, Newport Glazed Maple Hardwood-MF interior, Sleeps 4, LP Detector, Skylight, stovetop burner, Awning, air conditioning, smoke detector, external shower, CO detector, self-contained, leveling jacks, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3412 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.